Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Tuesday, September 18th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. So a lot of pressure into grains, specifically corn and soybeans. Once again, as you came in, you did get confirmation here yesterday that President Trump wanted to put tariffs on an additional $2 billion worth of Chinese goods. And China came back today and retaliated with tariffs on $60 billion worth of U.S. goods. Now, that actually caused the Dow to take off after being a little bit lower, up over 200 points, really because they thought they would kind of match it. That's what they've done lately, is go tit for tat, and that's what you didn't see today. So you only went up 60 billion, still a tariff on there, but it was enough to support the Dow. However, it could not get corn and beans out of its slump. Corn on a technical side of things is not looking very pretty right now with those double closes under 350. So now you're trying to find that next support line, and then same situation with soybeans, a close under that 821, causing some problems as well, being down 9.5 cents on the day. Corn was down 4 3/4. You did see support throughout the wheat complex off continued problems throughout the world as far as wheat production, so anywhere from 1 to 5 cents higher on the day. Meat markets, it did start off a little bit weaker for cattle markets. Thought you were maybe going to come back, and then you actually came back to close lower on the day. It could be the fact that you're starting to hear some rumors that maybe in that 60 billion worth of U.S. goods that China is going to put tariffs on could include some meat. That is questionable. You don't know the full details yet, but that's where you were able to see that pressure come back into the cattle complex. Hogs, however, got a lot of support, specifically that front month, over $2 higher off continued fears from African swine fever. And like I said, those outside markets, Dow really took off, and so did the rest of them, being all in the green here today with that little bit of positive, if you can even call it that you didn't see as big as tariffs as people were expecting. So moving forward, what eyes are going to be watching is whether or not you're going to see China and the U.S. come together to talk. So it sounded like they weren't going to come if you saw additional tariffs be put on, but it sounds like maybe they still might send some low-level commerce people to come over and talk with the U.S. as far as trade goes. Any sort of talk would be positive for these markets as well. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.